Do you want to make a WhatsApp group call for a certain person? You can call on the WhatsApp group excluding some members with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To make WhatsApp group calls for certain people. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, scroll down and open the group chat where you want to make a group call for specific members. Now, you're on the group chat conversation. At the top of the chat conversation, you will see the video and audio call icons. Tap on either the audio or video call icon. A pop-up screen appears. To exclude someone from the group call, tap on the group name. The group will expand, and you'll see all the members of the group. Select the contacts you want to include in the WhatsApp group call. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the call button. This way, you can make a call with only the people you choose, even if they are part of a larger group chat.